Stick-on lights are those lights which can be installed anywhere with the use of double-sided adhesives and without the limitations of electricity or a power outlet. Our today's video is about top 5 best stick-on light sets are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Oxy LED Tap Closet Lights. Oxy LED is a top-rated brand, and for all the right reasons. They have come up with a light featuring 4 bright and powerful LED, with touch sensors and a lumen count of 80. The stick-on LED lights feature 2 touch sensors which work as a power button and can be used to switch the lights on or turn them off. You do not need a power outlet for these lights as they are powered by a battery. These also help to provide light in places where the electricity cannot be accessed from. Further, the 80 lumen count provides brightness for lighting a good area. Also, it is a gentle eye care lighting which is pleasant to the eyes and does not flicker or hurt your eyes. These cabinet lights can be installed with 2 3M sticky adhesives on each side of the lights. They are multi-purpose and can be installed in the workshop, hallways, bedroom, garage, front porch, stairs, cabinets, closets, basements, and corridors. Now our second product is Spang LED Stick-on Lights. These lights are loaded with PIR or passive infrared technology which enables them to detect human motion. This feature turns the lights on within 16 seconds of motion taking place, and it also shuts it off after 20 seconds of inactivity. The package contains 6 pieces of lights with a lumen count of 60. They are very bright and can be installed anywhere to prevent the place from being dark. Additionally, the anti-glare panel is featured to save your eyes, making it better for the kids and the elderly. The compact size and the fact that it runs on batteries make these lights suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. They run on 3 AA batteries, and you don't need to go through the hustle of charging it again and again. No power outlet is required for the lights, therefore no hard wiring is needed to install those lights. They can be taped anywhere with strong adhesives. The lights are also supported by 12 monthly service warranty. Our third product is BLS LED Stick-on Lights. If you are looking for adjustable color settings in one set of lights, these BLS puck lights can be the game changer for you. The package is loaded with 6 units of lights with all the RGB color settings. These lights are very bright and can be operated by remote from up to 20 feet in distance. There are as many as 13 color options, including warm white and 12 other preset colors. Further, the different lighting modes allow you to change the modes according to your mood. The timer can be set to 30-60 minutes, which saves energy and power. These lights run on 3 AA batteries and last 4 times their competitors. They can be installed easily with the help of adhesives, or if you are not confident about them, you can opt for screws. Additionally, the 3M adhesive tapes do not leave any residue behind. Now number 4, Elzoninal Closet Light. These lights are ideal for small enclosed areas as they can light up the cabinets, closets, cupboards, utility rooms, etc. They are a great alternative to emergency lights and can be used during power shortages. As the lights are battery operated, they can be used both indoors and outdoors. They are unharmed by any electrical issues as they are battery powered. They run on 3 AA batteries and are safe from any fire hazards. Therefore, it is perfect to use them in the kids' room. As no messy wires are needed for the installation, the process becomes quite simple. You just need to stick it with the help of an adhesive on a clean and smooth surface. And our last choice is Igul Stick-on Lights. These lights by Igul Out 4 adjustable lighting modes and provide 8 different RGB colors. Well, what more can you ask from the stick-on lights? To top it all, these lights are bright with a lumen count of 80. These lights feature 10 adjustable brightness levels and 3 different brightness modes. Another unique feature of the lights is that they can be controlled by the remote. The auto shut-off feature turns the lights off in case of inaction for 4 hours. They run on AA batteries and can be turned on for an interrupted service of 100 hours. The durable ABS material, octagon design, and anti-glare matte lampshade make it a suitable alternative for plastic. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.